Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Caribbean Cement Company out in Rockfort. Now, they recently opened a new section of their plant. They spent $6.7 billion to expand their plant out here in Rockfort. Now, as you know, a lot of development is taking place in Jamaica. Buildings are getting taller and taller and taller. Hotels, you name it. Every major area in Jamaica has some sort of construction going on. And all these buildings need cement. They need cement. So the cement company saw what was going on. They saw a drastic increase in the demand for cement. So they commissioned this project and spent $6.7 billion to expand the plant to meet the demand. And at the rate things are going, they might even need to do more expansion. Remember, a 28-floor building takes a lot of cement. And we have about 8 buildings, either taller or that size, going up in Jamaica at the same time. So today we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening out here by the cement company. Caribbean Cement Company officially commissioned its $6.7 billion debottleneck project. This project is designed to enhance the production capacity and operational efficiency at the company's Rockfort facility, which is pivotal in meeting the growing local demand for cement and to support the island's infrastructural development goals. Addressing the commissioning ceremony at the facility's Rockfort location, Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness said the major investment will support Jamaica's pursuit of industrialization, self-sufficiency, and sustained economic growth. He added the transformation of the industrial backbone that supports the construction industry and cement production is critical. So cement is the lifeblood of construction, and it's not just housing, it's also in road construction, and it forms a foundation for houses, bridges, schools, hospitals, and factories. When local demand for cement outpaces supply, as has increasingly been the case, we are forced to import, adding costs, creating delays, and increasing our dependence on external supply chains, the Prime Minister said. These vulnerabilities have only been exacerbated by the recent global disruptions from the pandemic-related logistics breakdown to inflationary pressures and geopolitical tensions, he added. We are not only meeting local demand, but we are also building Jamaica's industrial base. This means more timely delivery of cement for housing projects, fewer delays in critical infrastructure works, and a more predictable cost base for developers and contractors across the country, he said. Dr. Holness pointed out that the project directly supports the housing programs. He said from 2016 to today, the government has delivered more housing starts than any other previous administration. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.